Mm, let me let me talk about Cmos in this time. First, what is Cmos? Cmos is like this. Um, PMOS and MMOS is both exist. Uh, then what? Then how we make this Cmos? In P-type sub, generally we think this MMOS because if in inversion in body surface it's like n type, so this we call this MMOS. Then in p-type sub, uh, how how we makes PMOS in this sub, uh, in in p-type in p-type sub, we doped and plus heavily doped. Then this space is like n-type. So we call these spaces well. Okay. So then in PMOS, we get a plus voltage because PMOS source is it needs some holes, so we get a plus bias in this source. Then n-types and most source we get a ground. Okay. Then why Cmos is useful? Let me think. Single MOSFET. In single MOSFET, this is input voltage and this is output voltage. We call input voltage is 0. This is low voltage and input voltage is VDD. We talk this high voltage. Then let me think. If we get a low voltage in this single MOSFET, then input voltage is 0. This is no inversion. So there is a substrate. Each subthreshold stage, so this is turn off. Then there is no inversion channel in this stage, so space. So we think this often. So circuit is like this, and this free output voltage is VDD. So input voltage is 0, output voltage is VDD. Then we think high voltage, get a high voltage in this single MOSFET. Then this this have inversion channel, so we think this circuit is short, so circuit is like this, and drain current is flow VDD to ground, and V out is 0. So input voltage is high, output voltage is low. So we call this is like inverter. Then in this situation, drain current is always flow VDD to ground. So unnecessary power is consumed. So this is unuseful. So we use Cmos. Let me think. Cmos is like this, and this is PMOS and NMOS is both exist. So switch both switch don't turn on the same time at the same time. So VDD, there is no drain current VDD to ground, so this is useful, more useful than single MOSFET. Then we suppose threshold voltage is MOS is MOS is 1/2, and PMOS threshold voltage is minus 1/2. Then we think NMOS and PMOS is turn on. N and P and VGS, and V in. We talk V in. Input voltage is 0. Then input voltage is high and low. If input voltage is high, PMOS is VGS is VG minus VS, so VG is high, and PMOS is high too, so this sub is 0, and NMOS is ground, so this is high voltage too, and input voltage is 0. PMOS is VG is 0, and VDD, so this is -1, and this is 0 minus 0, so this is 0. But then threshold voltage is PMOS is minus 1/2, and this NMOS is plus 1 over 2, so this minus 1, in minus 1 VGS is minus 1, then Cmos is on, then this 1 VGS is 1, Cmos is turned on, so Cmos turn on is this and Cmos turn on is this, so there is these both MOSFET is don't turn on at the same time, so this is usable.